How to fix Google Play Music not playing song. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million IDs YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Music not playing song. So guys, for this you have to make sure that your internet connection is on, and then the second step is you have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. Click here and then now search for Google Play Music. Google Play Music. Click here and then guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And then you can see here storage. Click on storage and now press on clear data, and you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Now guys, go back, restart your phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.